In this lesson, we're going to show you how you can use containers in Power Apps. So you can see I have a container here. When I adjust the screen size, the container adjusts to that screen size. So let's create a brand new app and show you how this works. So the first thing I want to do is press save to make sure that we save the app. So if anything happens, we will have our changes. So what are containers? Well, containers make it easy to design the layout of your app. Containers can hold a set of controls and has its own properties. So when a control is placed inside of a container, it becomes automatically positioned. So in this lesson, we're going to show you 10 easy steps to start using containers in Power Apps. All right, so we want to make this app responsive. So to do that, step one is going to be to turn off the scale to fit. So we're going to go to Settings, Display tab, see where it says Scale to Fit. We're going to turn it off. All right. Now, step two, we're going to add a blank vertical gallery. So I'm going to go to the Insert tab or Insert menu, go to Layout, and insert a blank vertical gallery. All right, so step three, let's change the template fill of the gallery to a different color. It says Aqua, so Color.Aqua. Let's change the template padding to 20. Right, so now we have our space in between each template. Let's adjust it like this. Step five is to add a vertical container inside of the gallery. So we're going to go to Insert, and choose Vertical Container. Remember, we're still inside the gallery. All right, so add a container inside of the gallery. The next step is to change the fill color to AntiqueWhite. So inside the vertical container, we're going to go to Fill, change this to Color.AntiqueWhite. Let's make it the same size as the gallery. All right, the next step is we're going to add a label inside of the container. So go to Insert, Text Label, and I'm going to put, um, I'll just put my name. Now, to stretch the label, what we can do, we have the label highlighted. I'm going to go to, see where it says Align in Container? I'm going to change it to Stretch. So now the label stretches on the entire container. Now we can add some additional controls. So I can just copy this label, change this to education, copy this down. Let's say this is going to be GPA. Say 3.7. Oops. And copy it one more time. It's going to be hobbies, playing basketball, and building apps. All right. So now when we play it, you'll see that as we adjust the size of the screen, the container, and all the properties and controls inside the container adjust with the size of the screen. Are there any questions? Well, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.